Well, this is the Sunday after Thanksgiving. We've gotten pretty good snow. Oh no. So, Ruby's just inside the door. But we're gonna release the hound out into this. So, no ado. Here comes Ruby-Doo. And she disappears up around the corner. And here she comes back up and around. Ruby don't seem to mind the snow too much. She's having fun playing it. Still snowing a bit. Look how low that tree branch is. That pine. Testing on my camera abilities coming out of the streak out of there like that. I hope you don't mind the wind chime music today. By the way, give the video a thumbs up. If your dog likes playing with the snow, give the video a thumbs up, share it, post some comments, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Me and Ruby would love some privacy for a second. Would love some more YouTube subscribers. I don't know if this snow. I don't know if this camera's picking up all those little snow. Ruby down. It's windy. I think most of the snow is done with. I guess it's not supposed to be actually done for about another. It's like 5 o'clock right now. It's not supposed to be done by another 3 hours. But the worst of it seems like I was looking at the weather up on the online. What do you think of all the snow, Ruby? Pretty cool? Snow pretty cool? Getting cold already? What you think, Ruby? Oh damn, bunch of snow blew in there. I can either face that kennel the other way. Looks like a bunch of snow is in there. Yeah. Snow. Just a mini snowball. Ruby. Oh, let's see if she can do it. Here, we're gonna throw a few snowballs out there for her. Hopefully this will catch it. Ruby. Oh shit. Ready? Get it. Look at all this snow on your face. Whew. Oh, I know what. You could throw a treat in the snow. Oh, we can do that tomorrow. Maybe. Okay, I'll throw another one. I'm getting one. Damn. Ready? Go on. Go on. Oh, right here. Oh, she almost caught that one. Eat that, Cooper. Can you catch snowballs, Cooper? Yeah. This is a shout out to what is it? Super Cooper Sundays. It's a YouTube channel. You'll find a link. I got a playlist on our YouTube channel. Yeah, Super Cooper reminds me of Ruby. Or actually, I should say Ruby reminds me of Super Cooper. Well, I don't know how that'd go. I've known Ruby longer, but Super Cooper, the channel that we watch, or the series I should say, we've only watched it here past couple months. Ruby likes watching them. And she likes Super Cooper. Super Cooper crazy like she is. Ready? Oh, that was a good catch. She's like, yeah, give me that snowball. Hopefully that caught it. I don't know if you'd be able to see it. Looks like it's kind of getting a little dark on there. Well, this is probably all the video that we're probably gonna get. And I knew it was getting but Ruby don't seem like she minds the snow one bit. She's probably gonna start barking at me. Throw another one, Dad. Throw another one. My hands are cold. Well, if your dog likes to catch snowballs, please give the thumbs up. Share. Hit the bell icon, by the way. Gotta hit that bell icon. Plus, I need to upload a little bit more often. And we're probably going to be starting a wish list on Amazon for Ruby. So if you'd like to have Ruby play with the toy, that she found her. If you'd like to see Ruby play with the toy, a particular toy, or figure out one of those little brain games, we'd be happy to try those out on Ruby. She is so crazy. Look at her. At least my hand's warming back up. Throwing repeated snowballs barehanded tends to take a little heat out of them. Damn! Like zoom, zoom. She can't. Here she comes. Ready to go in? No? Oh, you ready to go in? Okay, let's go in. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell icon.